Here we are studying about neem, which has Latin name as a Derica indica and family Miliaceae. In Marathi it is called as Kadu neem, in Hindi it called as neem, and in English it called as Margosa tree. Due to various properties, it has different name in Sanskrit such as Paribhadrak, as it is useful in various diseases, Varatvacha, as the bark has medicinal properties, Sutiktak, due to its Tiktarasa, Shita, because of its Shitavirya, Krumigna, due to its Krumigna action, Chardana, because of Tiktarasa, which causes vomiting, Shukapriya, as the fruit is liked by parrots, Kakafala, as the fruit is liked by crows, Kakafala, as the fruit is liked by crows, Vishirnaparna, due to the dented margin of leaf, Agnidhamana, due to its Shitavirya, Pichumanda, as it is useful in Pichu, that is Kushta or skin diseases. Morphology. It is a 14 to 16 meter tall tree with a firm and straight growing stem. It has smoky black bark which is red from inside. It secretes thin juice and gum. Leaves are alternate, 20 to 35 centimeter long, imperipinnate, and leaflets are subopposite and serrate. Flowers. It has white inflorescence. Fruit. It is one-seeded drupe and endocarp woody. Flowering can be seen in Vasanta Ritu and fruitation can be seen at the end of summer. Habitat. It can be seen all over India. Useful part. Flower, leaves, bark, seed and oil. Rasapanchak. It has Tiktakatu rasa. Doses. For churna 1 to 3 gram. For patraswaras 10 to 20 ml. For oil 5 to 10 drops. Kalpa, निंबादी चूर्ण, निंबगंधक चूर्ण, निंब हरिद्राखंड and Vranashodhan tel.